Hi friends, Sam here. So in this video, I am taking one question which I generally get from many trainers, coaches, who conduct webinar for their audience. So the question is whether I should use Zoom meeting or Zoom webinar to conduct webinar for my audience. Now my straightaway answer to this question is, please only use Zoom webinar. Now I understand that cost wise there is a drastic difference between Zoom meeting and Zoom webinar. But remember, whenever you are conducting the webinar, specifically sales webinar, then there are so many features, webinar features in Zoom webinar which are very crucial for you. For example, count, so attendees cannot see the count in the room. So especially whenever you get started your webinar, initially you get like 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, up to 50 people, in the webinar, or maybe up to 100 people also. Still looking at that count, your potential customers who are attending the webinar, they judge you looking at the count. Okay, they judge you looking at the count about your popularity, about your credibility. So even if only 10 people join, I want to conduct that webinar as if there are 10,000 people in the room. Okay, so for that Zoom webinar is must. Now next question I get, subsequent question, that it is very costly. In the initial days, how can we afford, So for that, what I have done, I will give my team's WhatsApp number over here. So contact my team and ask them whether they have any solution. So they will give you Zoom webinar in very cost effective way. Okay, so now generally in a week you conduct one slot, 2 hour slot, or 2 slots in a week, the webinar. Okay, so that much use you have to do for that Zoom webinar software, So my team will be helping you to get the Zoom webinar in very reasonable cost. Go ahead and ping my team, they will help you out. Okay, in case you are doing, so I do business automations for my customers, solopreneurs are my customers, trainer, coaches, freelancers, business owners, everybody. I build automation for them, right? So WhatsApp automation, email automation, nurturing solution, and everything, CRM, so many things, landing page, and also these all things are already in place. So I provide system to you and I train you to use that system, and if you want team members, I do have team also. So my community name is Tools and Team Hub. So Tools and Team Hub actually help you to run your business in the auto mode through automation and delegation. So in case if you need my help, in case if you don't have some clarity somewhere what to do, how to do, etc., I am giving my WhatsApp number also over here. Go ahead and ping me. Okay, so in case if you want Zoom webinar, ping my team. So here on the left hand side, I'm giving my team's WhatsApp number, and on the right hand side, I'm giving my own number. In case if you want any other help, you can ping me. I'm always around to help you guys. Okay, so happy business, happy automation, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.